Files and folders. All the data stored on your computer's hard disk consists of files and folders. Files are used to store data, and folders are used to store and organize files and other folders. A file is a collection of data and information stored on a storage device such as hard disk, pen drive, CD or DVD. There are different types of files depending on the type of information they store, like document file, Excel file, PowerPoint file, music file, video file, etc. And each type has its own specific icon. This helps us identify the type of file by just looking at the icon. A folder is like a file cabinet in which you can keep your files. In other words, a folder is a collection of files. A folder can contain many subfolders with files in them. The icon of a folder is different from the icon of a file. Double-clicking a folder icon shows the list or thumbnails of files in the folder. Creating a folder. To create a folder in the File Explorer, follow the given steps. Step 1. Open File Explorer and browse to the location where you want to create a new folder. 2. Click on the Home tab. 3. Click on the New Folder option. 4. Type the name of the new folder and press the Enter key. You can also create a folder on desktop. To do so, right-click at a blank spot on the desktop. Move the mouse pointer to the New option. Click on the Folder option. Selecting files or folders. While working with file or folder, the very first step is to select the particular file or folder you want to work with. To select a single file or folder, click on it. To select multiple files and folders, select the first file or folder and continue to select the desired ones while keeping the Ctrl key pressed. Renaming a file or folder. Rename means to change the current name of the file or folder to a new name. To rename a file or folder, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the file or folder to be renamed. Step 2. Click on Home tab. Step 3. Click on the Rename command. Step 4. Type the new name and press the Enter key. You can rename a folder by right-clicking on the file or folder name. A menu appears. Move the mouse pointer to Rename option and select it. Copying a file or folder. Copying a file or folder means making a copy of the original file or folder, either in the same location or in another location without removing it from its original location. To copy a file or folder, follow the given steps. Step 1. In the File Explorer, browse to the location of the file or folder you want to copy. Step 2. Select the file or folder to be copied. Step 3. Click on the Home tab. Step 4. Click on the Copy command. Step 5. Select the destination location or the folder where you want to copy the file or folder. Step 6. Click on Paste command. Moving a file or folder. We can move files and folders from one place to another. When we move a file or folder, it is removed from its original location and placed at a new location. To move a file or folder, follow the given steps. Step 1. Browse to the location of the file or folder you want to move. Step 2. Select the file or folder to be moved. Step 3. Click on Home tab. Step 4. Click on Cut command. Step 5. Select the destination location where you want to move the file or folder. Step 6. Click on Paste command. Deleting a file or folder. In the File Explorer, browse to the location of the file or folder you want to delete. To delete a file or folder, follow the given steps. Step 1. Browse the location of the file or folder you want to delete. Step 2. Select the file you want to delete. Step 3. Click on Home tab. Step 4. Click on Delete command. Restoring a deleted file or folder. All the files and folders that we delete are moved to the recycle bin. If you delete a file or folder by mistake, you can restore it from the recycle bin. To restore a deleted file or folder, double-click on the recycle bin icon. Select the files or folders and click on Restore the Selected Items button.